we need to know why you have the downfall. So there are two verses, together they go, and the verses are 62 and 63 of chapter 2. So I'll just read the Sanskrit. Dhyayato vishayan punsah sangaste shupajayate sanga sanjayate kamaha kama krodho bhijayate. Just ignore it, I'll turn it off. Krodhat bhavati sammoha sammoha smriti vibhramaha smriti bhranshad buddhinashaha buddhinashaha pranashyati. Probably you can understand few Hindi words in there. So what Krishna Bhagavan said, that the downfall starts with having a desire, a wrong desire in our head. And the wrong desire doesn't have to be always material desire. It can be, oh, I want this person to do this way. It could be those kind of things. And when the wrong desire comes in our head, we start thinking about it again and again and again. It becomes like a little obsession in our head because we want it so bad. And that obsession becomes like an attachment. And that attachment, when it takes hold in your mind, then if somebody comes on the way of that desire, that's when anger comes. So anytime we are angry, be sure that there is a desire behind it. Because we always blame, usne mujhe angry banaya, right? Yeah. So this is to look back and see, why do I want it that way? So so it's a ladder of fall. Do we have a piece of paper? Because it'll be a lot easier if I just draw it, because it just, like they say, picture is worth 1,000 words.
We got a pen, I shall bring a pen.
I have a pen. pen है मेरे पास.
Take water with, then I got it.
So here, this is ladder of fall. So here is a desire, and when I say desire, just always think a good desire is not a big problem. Wrong desire. And the second becomes attachment.
Desiring somebody else's downfall or something like that.
No, actually, in
wishing other people
those are the worst kind. But even our the daily life, I want somebody to do this way. Hey, why? They have their own mind too.
Yeah.
See what I'm saying?
हाँ, फिर हमने वो भ्रम देखा कहाँ?
Yeah.
And at home is the most difficult.
Yeah. See, because exactly. This practice is more at home.
Yeah,
That's right.
every day we are practicing.
Yeah. Because see, the wrong desire, we all know what not to do. उसमें कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है, right? These are the subtle ones that give us. So and then attachment हो जाता है उस desire से, and उसके बाद आता है anger. Anger is something that comes in the way of my desire, causes anger. So that's there. So anger के बाद आता है delusion. And we know what is delusion. Delusion means
Distorting the truth.
Exactly. Distorting the truth is delusion. So delusion के बाद आता है memory loss. And I will tell you exactly what memory loss happens. Whenever we are angry, do we say things that we would have never said it otherwise to our husband, children, friend, whoever, colleague?
That's true.
This
I would have
actually
never
happens
said.
to somebody. They told me that so and so gets angry, then when she tells him when he's cool, he said, I never said that.
Yeah, because the
memory
person,
loss.
you become like a
Memory
drunkard.
loss.
Drunkard. वो जब बहुत ज़्यादा पी ली तो क्या होता है?
हाँ, drunk हो जाता है.
तो उसको कुछ पता ही नहीं क्या कर रहा है वो. So that's exactly. So
anger is excess.
Yeah.
Going into excess.
So, but it all started from here. See, that's what it is. So the memory loss हो गया. Memory loss हो गया तो फिर उसके बाद है मेरी ladder ही छोटी हो रही है.
You can continue here.
Keep continuing.
इधर.
Okay, so this memory
नीचे
loss
कर
के
लो
बाद
बस,
समझो इधर है. हाँ. Memory loss के बाद आया let me think क्या आया. हाँ, loss of discrimination. Loss of discrimination means I don't know what is right and what is wrong.
Yeah.
Because मेरा वो memory bank ही available नहीं
Logic
है.
goes away.
So then sometimes, even to your own parents or even to your guru, or the person that you would never even dream of saying nasty thing because they have done so much for you, you completely forget what they have done at that moment, and then you don't know what is right and wrong, and you just lash out. And extreme cases, people can do the most horrible act, kill somebody. I mean, we're not talking about, but where did it start? It started over here. So loss of memory ke baad complete destruction. When he say complete destruction, it does not mean कि वो आदमी
or others.
हाँ?
Destruction of what?
Of yourself. मैं तुम एकदम जैसे memory loss or delusion or loss of discrimination हुआ ना, you become like an animal. Human के जो values है वो ही नहीं रह जाते उस moment पे.
You get anger, they shoot, you know, and
yeah,
things
exactly.
like that. And
So the destruction is like, it doesn't
insanity.
mean
Insanity.
exactly. Does not mean permanent destruction, but that if this continues in a life, you know what it becomes.
It's a momentary, it could be for the moment.
Exactly, it
also.
could be for an hour, and then the damage that can happen here. That's what he's talking about. Like you can break relationships, you can have lot of long-lasting damages. So if you trace back, then that's where it starts. So we can stop it at any point, but they say, you know, if you throw a ball here and the ball is going down, how it catches momentum, and then you cannot catch it.
Yes.
So in the beginning, it's a lot easier to catch. As it gets down, the downfall is so strong that that's why when the anger comes, you have seen, it's very hard to pull back at that moment. Later on, you might regret. So if you know the science of it, why it's happening, maybe when my mind starts churning.
I will start here because desire
Yes.
never ends.
Desire, then maybe we need to.
Attachment is easier, much easier.
That's why we say, here it's called clinging desire.
Yeah.
Whenever we, talking to teenagers, we cannot tell them don't have desire because they will say, I don't want to even listen to you. Even adults don't want to listen.
Yeah.
So rephrasing the word clinging desire, but iske bina to mera kaam hi nahi chalega.
Yeah.
That is the
That
problem.
is extreme.
You know, a very
desire,
subtle
where
way
you do
में
not
in
want
the
to
morning
budge.
I noticed, Ashwi loves wood, you know.
Wood.
हाँ, यहाँ एक वुड रखा है, उसके पीछे एक वुड रखा है, उधर एक वुड रखा है, उधर एक वुड
He's
रखा है.
married to the wood.
And God, you know, I said, ठीक है, you like wood. I mean, I just thought, you know, you like wood, but everybody else doesn't like wood. I mean, there's a balance.
Yeah.
So then I was going to pick up that wooden piece, and I was going to put it in the drawer. Then I realized,
I'm glad. Are you taping it? I mean, are you doing it for Joe?
Yeah.
हाँ.
So I just said, let it be, you know, because then I realized, I said, you know, अपने आप को ज़्यादा होशियार मानना और किसी और को not, you know, the whole thing goes
So you
down,
did a very
down
smart thing.
the,
Very
down
smart.
the ladder
Because that's
you
his
go.
passion. And in my house, now my husband is also retired, and he's a lot more in the kitchen, and he's every day rearranging. and oh my, it's such a spiritual sadhana for me to just take the inconvenience, be quiet. Sometimes, after about 15 days, I do,
Yeah.
say, so I want to keep that period longer and longer because in the end, really, it doesn't affect that much. ठीक है, मेरे को 2 चीज़ नहीं मिले, nothing, no problem. But the other thing, if I have argument and all, it'll be a lot worse.
Yeah.
You know, and in your case also, the same thing.
You know, the words I've put in a caption now is, can't I see the play as it is?
Yes.
You know, if I can see the play as it is, what difference will it make? कभी movie hall में जाके हम पत्थर मारते हैं क्या screen को?
You think, you think the wood is his second wife, so don't.
You know, but
If you think you're saying no, then you'll get more anger.
no, I'm saying
You
that's
accept
what I'm
it,
saying
accept
that this is the caption that I've made for myself to quickly remember. Can't I see the play as it is?
I think that's a good,
Because
very
when
good
the whole
thing.
thing comes, you know,
Yeah.
the whole thing of Vedant comes in front of you. That एक तो हम उससे गए कि हमने play को play नहीं देखा.
Right, exactly. So I think that you are already practicing that, and we have to keep that in mind. And the other way of looking at it, hey, this is such a mild thing. Somebody else may have some more horrible things, problems. Some, like negative things. This
Always
is nothing
look at
that.
the worst.
He's trying to
It
be
could be.
creative with his wood.
Even when all the family was together, it was, Ashri, myself, और विवेक, रेना एंड सत्वा, वहाँ तक तो ठीक था क्योंकि वहाँ पर प्यार होता है ना, कुछ भी करें चलता आएगा. Then I had my sister-in-law, her daughter and the 2 children, and they're very nice. You know, I mean, कौन इतनी दूर से आता है?
Right, yeah.
You know, time spend करने के लिए इतना पैसा खर्चा किया,
Yeah.
सब कुछ. But even then, I used to notice myself. You know.
Yeah, because you are
See,
attached
that
to your own things, and
generosity-
then exactly.
That generosity was not there in mind and pocket both. You know, like I could see, you know, कि अभी भी हम लोग कितना like it wasn't, and then at
And
times
whose generosity? Whose generosity?
my generosity,
Oh,
उनकी
what?
generosity थोड़ी ना देखेंगे. Story is mine. अभी
Means how much you
Sorry,
can
brother,
tolerate, they
I-
might, you know, waste some things.
generosity,
And,
दूसरे की क्या देखना,
lot of
अपनी-
things.
अपना-
But I think the way you said that you have to wait against, hey, they are going to be here only sometimes, and it's okay. Because in the long
No.
picture, it doesn't
But you
make
know,
a
you can
difference.
see, कि you think yourself so good, but you know, there's plenty that you have to work
At least you're noticing that
Yeah.
about yourself. That's a
Correct.
very big step. Other
Yeah.
people don't even notice. They keep blaming other people.
Yeah, yeah.
उनको तो ये ख्याल भी नहीं आता है कि मेरे में कुछ गड़बड़ी है. You know?
you know, and उनके आने के पहले I used to say, नहीं, जो वो करेंगे सब ठीक है. We will say yes, yes, yes. Assure myself is to repeat this morning, evening, whatever will happen. We'll say yes, yes, yes. But when the thing
That
actually
actually happened, yeah.
happens, you know, I mean, 10 people, ego clashing everywhere.
Oh, I know. In my house also there were 8 people together, all were adults, and
And
those.
there's nothing
yeah.
wrong. There's nothing
When you
wrong.
stay together, तो एक दूसरे की कमियां ज़्यादा दिखाई देती हैं, for
course.
sure. Yeah. yeah. So I think that this was a very important, and here the reason it's coming under the Strita Prajna, that you know that the people who are established, उनको ये सब नहीं होता है.
They don't have anger at all.
इसीलिए ना हम लोग को सत्संग जरूरी है.
हाँ.
Because then it's like an aina for you.
Right. So I thought these 2 verses were really great, so that's why we did it together. So now we'll go back to our Upanishad, and so we were going to start the Karika, remember?
Yeah.
And so Karika itself, it starts with like summarizing, that particular word summarizes the whole thing. So we may not have to summarize before because it's doing that. So everybody got that?
No, but what we're discussing is the dream state, isn't it? We finished
Dream
the
state finish हो गया?
Yeah.
नहीं, deep sleep पूरा finish हो गया,
Yeah.
remember?
Yeah, deep
So
sleep.
which page? Why is
Okay,
that?
let me go to
33
your.
Which verse are we going to do?
This
was
starts with
here.
the.
Karika.
Yeah.
Yeah,
In
yeah,
your
yeah.
book is 32.
32.
Yeah, so now you can put.
Yeah, I've got the mark last times.
Okay. So let's do the Sanskrit part. Bahi pragnya.
Vibhur. Which book?
Hmm?
Yantha.
Bahi pragnya vibhur vishvaha hi antah pragnya
Tejas.
tu tejasaha ghana pragnya. I'm reading from below because it's doing sandhi vicheda.
The English one.
Yeah. तथा प्राज्ञ एक एव त्रिधा स्मृतः. So should we do the English words and like Sneha likes to do? Bahi pragya. You want to do that?
Yeah. Bahi Pragya, who is conscious of the external. Bahi Pragya.
So bahi bahar, remember?
Who is conscious of the, Pragya means conscious of the external. Vibhu, all pervasive. Vishwa is Vishwa. So Vibhu
The world,
is all.
yeah.
He is whereas. Antaha,
Anta pragnya, together it goes.
Antah Pragya. Who is
Antaryami,
conscious of the internal.
Antaryami,
Oh,
yeah,
Pragya
Antah.
is the internal. Anta is internal. Eh?
Internal is internal.
Okay. Who is in, so one who is conscious of the external and also who is conscious of the internal consciousness. Tu. Okay. Tu is but. Tejasa is Tejasa means is what do you
Dream
call it?
state. Remember
Tejasa is dream state.
Mhm.
Ghana Pragya is mass of consciousness. Ghana means more only. Yeah, mass of consciousness. Tatha. And Pragya means Pragya is present. Is consciousness. Eka Eva, same entity only. It's all the same entity. That means they're saying is the external and the internal consciousness is the same entity.
The same entity experiences
It is a-
three different things.
in-
That was his
in
concept.
three
yeah.
different ways. It's thought of. Smrita thought of. Okay.
Okay, you can read the English translation and maybe two paragraph, and then we'll.
Me?
Yeah.
Vishwa, the first quarter, is he who is all pervading and who experiences the external. Oh, Vishwa is the first quarter, is he who is all pervading and who experiences the external, the gross objects, the waker. Tejasya, the second quarter, Pada, and he who cognizes the internal, the subtle bodies, the dreamer. And Prajna is he who is a mass of consciousness. So he is alone and who is thus known as three, the three different planes of consciousness.
So it says
So
last
Tejasna
sentence.
is the second quarter, it's the dreaming state, it's not this one.
Yeah, that's what I said. Second, Tejas is dreaming.
dreaming, yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly
Yeah,
what I
and the
said.
Prajna
And then
is the deep
Prajna is the deep sleep.
Yeah.
So he gave three names to three, right? Vishwa, Tejas, and Prajna.
Yeah.
And fourth state अभी उसने बात नहीं की है.
Yeah.
So we are, but here the main thing he's trying to say, he is one alone who is thus known as three in the three different planes of consciousness. So it's like one person experiencing three different things. If we can just remember that, that will explain
Yeah.
further.
This stanza belongs
And the
to
state, this is a question, that state, one state will finish and you merge into other state.
Yeah, it's almost like three compartments. Because I know that when Joe has a slightly different experience about going from here to here, but let's talk about general now.
Yeah.
When you are in the waking state, you are not a dreamer. You know I'm awake. When you are dreaming, you have no clue about the waking world. And once you do wake up, the dreamer
you-
itself becomes the waker.
Yeah.
But you
हाँ.
are not dreaming anymore.
हाँ, मतलब your promotion हो गया.
हाँ, या मतलब हम एक से
So
दूसरे
you're
में जा रहे
experiencing
हैं.
one thing at one time, you're not experiencing all three at the same time.
So
Yeah, one thing at one time only,
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
तुम्हारा ज़्यादा वो जागृति हो गई, जागृति ज़्यादा हो गई तो
तुमको वेकिंग वर्ल्ड दिख रहा है और फिर वो ड्रीम में हो, तुम माइंड चालू है लेकिन फिजिकल वर्ल्ड तुम्हारा बंद हो चुका है.
हाँ.
और स्लीप में तो दोनों मर्ज हो गए.
हाँ.
सो मेन थिंग वी हैव टू रिमेम्बर इज दैट एक दूसरे में प्रवेश नहीं है जनरली. ओके, वो जो सटल बॉडी वाले ट्रैवल करते हैं उनका मत सोचो अभी.
नहीं, प्रवेश नहीं है, पर वो तो जैसे कि तुम्हारी समझ बढ़ गई है, बढ़ती जा रही है.
लेकिन वो
ये तीनों
समझ
stage में है.
जो हम जिस समझ की बात कर रहे हैं ना, वो स्पिरिचुअल ढंग से अभी भी हमको समझ नहीं है. हम वो तीन स्टेट में यूं घूम रहे हैं. वो समझ होएगी देन वी विल बिकम above the three
नहीं, पर
states.
like हाँ, okay.
Okay, did you get it?
वैसे
नहीं, I
तो
got
एक ही
it.
आदमी है,
I
but
got
God
it.
experiencing all
But the
three.
thing is that when you meet God realized soul, when you are in presence of a God realized soul,
उसके लिए ये दुनिया भी ड्रीम है.
नहीं नहीं,
हाँ,
उसके लिए वो ड्रीम है, but then you realize, you know, I mean, थोड़ा सा तुमको ग्लिम्स होता है कि वो कहाँ पर है और मैं कहाँ पर हूँ.
I think
क्योंकि उसके सामने उसका वाइब्रेशन इतना स्ट्रांग होता है कि तुम जाओगे कोई बहुत वैसा क्वेश्चन लेकर के फॉर योर पर्सनल सेल्फ एंड यू कम इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ दैट पर्सन एंड यू जस्ट फॉरगेट. तुमको लगता है एवरीथिंग इज ब्यूटिफुल एंड ऑल राइट, बिकॉज उसका वाइब्रेशन इतना स्ट्रांग है ना.
I know what you're saying. So basically what you're trying to say is that waking state is the most important thing.
I mean, I'm just talking
Yeah.
about my personal self.
No, waking state is the important thing, but that's where you can change something.
Yeah.
Dream में you are literally like a helpless. तुम्हारा mind जो भी कुछ कर रहा है, you cannot do anything.
गफलियत में हो.
Some people do say कि अगर कोई बहुत deep desire हो तो वो dream में निकाल दो.
Yeah.
ऐसा भी बोलते हैं लोग. मगर what your point is कि भाई waking state is so important that that's where the change can happen, and that's true.
Yeah.
But as far as what is the relationship of consciousness with the three state is, consciousness is one, but it's experienced three things, and they are literally in three different compartments, and we go from one to another. It's like if I'm in Mumbai, I cannot be in Delhi. If I'm in Delhi, I cannot be in
cleaner and cleaner. In
Yeah.
other words, you're
Yeah.
getting cleaner and cleaner.
Yeah.
The glass is getting cleaner and cleaner.
Not really.
Yeah, how?
No, it's not. Because here in the deep sleep state, your dirt is still there. But because the other two are not, like the body and the mind is sleeping, you have no more agitation coming and you're closest to the consciousness, so you get happiness, peace. But वो पर्दा अभी भी पड़ा हुआ है. क्लीनर तब होगा जब जागृत अवस्था में हम उसको क्लीन करेंगे.
जागृत अवस्था में पहुंच गए तब तो कहानी खत्म हो गई ना?
नहीं, वो वाला आप जो जागृत बोल रहे हो हम उसकी बात अभी नहीं कर रहे
ठीक
हैं.
है.
ये हम लोग की
नहीं, I've
रेगुलर
got it, I've
जागृत.
got it,
हाँ,
I've got
हाँ,
it.
हाँ. वो आप तुरीय की बात कर रहे हो.
Yeah,
हाँ,
I've got it.
हाँ,
Fine.
okay, fine. So any confusion
So
here?
that's what he's saying is there is one consciousness, but we experience it in three different states.
ways. Right now we understand that, and then fourth state he will talk about in detail later.
This stanza belongs to the Karika glossary of Sri